Alright folks, it's Mammoth time at AOAA. We're not driving it, but we're watching people who are. So we're headed out here with what? Flex Rocks, Rollovers, Bleep and Jeep, Off-Road and Chill, a bunch of other folks too. Psycho Cupcake is here, Mischief Maker is here, Holly. All those folks will be plugged. I'm guessing all of their content for this particular obstacle. He's Bleep and Jeep. I'm guessing all of their content will already be up for this obstacle by the time you see this, so if you want to see that, it'll be down below. But anyways, just wanted to let you know what we're up to, and next time you see us, we'll hopefully be there.
What size tires do you have? 40? Oh. Yeah, and they still look small out here.
We have Jeep Life Pod, right? His name is either Bill or Billy. Billy. Okay, someone call him Billy. Yeah. So Billy, we're gonna go with Billy.
This way a little bit as you climb. Right there, you're hooked in a rock. Back dip, Billy, back dip.
There is another casualty behind me, Chuck and his TJ. We don't know what he broke, but something.
Pull away, Poppy.
So at this point we have 3 vehicles done. We have Matt from Bleep and Jeep, and then I believe it's the 2 folks from, or 2 of the folks from Flex Rocks and Rollovers. Awesome job, guys. First scale, Mammoth.
Basically 6 foot across.
And that's, what, how many miles long is this thing?
Well, it's over, if you use gulches as a comparison, it's over the size of gulches in terms of acreage. I don't know the actual length of the trail.
Very, very long.
All right, it is Sunday night, about 5 o'clock. We just got back from picking up food for tonight in a little bit. Some desserts, got some mega mallows. Gotta wrap it up, but it was a great weekend. Mammoth was really, really cool watching all the folks do that. Very, very hot as well, so you probably already can see my sunburn. Jeep did great all weekend. She drove great. Did Rachel ever drive?
She drove up the hill today.
Oh, nice. Rachel drove up a little hill today. Got a good coating of mud on it all. We had everything packed from spare tie rod and drag link ends. We didn't break any ends, although we did manage to finally kill the sway bar end links. Do you want to give a demonstration of how toasted that joint is? Yeah. Yeah, that's not good.
That's not how they're supposed to actuate. I should not be able to just do this.
So we manually disconnected for the last day here. But it was a great event, a lot of fun. The ultimate, I always get this wrong, is the ultimate off-road field trip. That's it. Ultimate off-road field trip. Really cool series of events. Go check it out if you get a chance to. They're coming to Windrock is the one that I know at the end of July.
Yeah, I don't recall any others, but whatever other ones there are, we'll go ahead and they'll be down below.
Yeah, the organizer, Chris Miller, he's
really nice.
Oh yeah, he was super chill. Very nice guy.
It was so organized and so well done.
Yeah. I feel like he was definitely herding and wrangling cats a little bit, but he got the best of the cats and they were wrangled.
He wrangled.
Anyways, so thank you all for coming along. It was a great weekend. Hope that whatever day you're watching this, you're having a good one, and we will see you at some point in the future. Bye. Bye. Rachel, say bye.
Bye. She did say bye.
See you later.